Hi, Lisa Casey here. We are on Google Sites, and this is how to embed our Google Classroom calendars right onto our sites. So we have Google Calendar, Google Sites open, and this is going to help streamline your communication with your families so much. So in Google Calendar, the first thing we have to do is make sure that our calendar is shared and visible to the public. So I'm going to find my classroom calendar, practice class period 3. I'm going to click those 3 little dots and go to settings and sharing. All right, so I can add a description if I want to. And then this is the button that I want. I want to make available to the public. And I want them to see all event details. So in my personal calendar, I might not want them to see all my details or all my meetings or what I'm doing. So I might just say busy or free. But for Google Classroom, I want my parents to be able to see everything we're doing and make it as accessible as possible. So once it's available to the public, then we're going to come back to our Google site and we are going to go ahead and add a calendar. Let me get rid of this one so I can show you how to do it. If we come over here to this insert page, we can scroll down and we have the option to add a calendar. So we get to pick and choose which calendars we want to insert on this page. I'm going to click on practice class period 3 and insert that right here. If we come up to this settings button, we have a few options. So I suggest either view by week or you can view by month, either way. Let's take a look and see. Okay, so we have 3 assignments that are visible now on my Google Calendar. And the next thing I'm going to do is go to an incognito window. First, I better publish my site. So if I do that and I come into an incognito window, so I'm viewing my site as anybody, as a random person, not as the owner. And if I do that, I'm going to paste that URL here to take me to my site. Okay, there I am, the Junior Lit homepage. I've got my syllabus. I've got my form to collect syllabus signatures. And if I scroll down, here is the classroom calendar. So as a parent or as a student, anybody looking at my website, come here and click on this assignment and look, they see that this is the assignment that's due on Friday. There's an Ed Puzzle assignment. That in and of itself is super helpful for our families to know when things are actually due. But this link down here only connects to Google Classroom. So parents, people who aren't logged in or assigned to our specific Google Classroom don't have a lot of details. So one way to help fix that is when you are creating assignments like this one, this document is attached for my students down below. So students have access to this Google slide or to this PowerPoint, whatever it might be. But if I copy and paste that link into the description for parents, I can copy that and paste that. And now parents not only know the due date, but they also can see all of our weekly plans and have access to all the links and learning materials. I did that again for this assignment down here. Not only did I attach these resources for my students to have access to, but I attached the link in the description of a Google Classroom assignment so that my parents can see it. Let me just show you really quickly what that looks like. Go find my Google Classes. Let's go to my practice class. And let's go find the assignment. So this is posted on my Google Calendar, so everybody on my website can see it. I have the playlist document attached down here. I have a video for my students to watch, and I attached both those links here in the description so that when my families go to view my site, they have access to all the details they need. And that's how to embed your calendar on Google Sites. Thanks for watching.